Hi guys, I got something exciting today, a 787 Dreamliner, and yes, there's some assembly required. I'm just going to use a hot melt glue gun. I usually use that on the styrofoam, and that works good for me. I'm in the Philippines. I don't have access to all kinds of glues and stuff. But the price of this thing is amazing. It is less than the Predator 2-channel. And this one is 3. You have an elevator up and down besides the 2 motors. It'll be like the Predator with the motors on the back of the wing. But yeah, for 3-channel, I paid less than the 2-channel Predator. Also, I paid less than this one, the Flybear FX, the SU-35. That's only 2-channel, but this was more expensive than this 787. And it's pretty much the same company, I guess, that makes the C-17 and the Predator. They never really put their name on the box. I don't know why. They just do numbers for their planes. But same controller, except now for the 3-channel, they have this so it can go, down. Well, it's up, but it'll make your plane go down, and you pull back for the plane to go up, and you have your throttle and then your differential thrust, and then this one here was just throttle and differential thrust for turning. But yeah, I was amazed when I saw this is new and I saw the price was less than some of the 2-channel planes. I'm like, I gotta have that. I'm not really into airliners too much, I guess. I've flown in a 787 before on a big long trip, but usually I like military planes, or I like sporty planes or something like that. So I will get this thing put together, tell you what I learned, and then we'll fly it. Okay guys, I got it all put together. The instructions were really small and not the best I've ever seen to put something together, but just take your time, and after you get everything plugged into the board, I checked it before I glued the board into the plane. And this one's like my Predator. It's got the switch on the remote, and you got the pretty LED lights, and then little like pinkish purple ones on the outside. And then for regular flying, it's got a high and low rate, and when the light's solid, that's regular. It won't let it go up too much or down too much. And then when you press it for high rate and it's blinking with your elevator, you can do loops. So a jetliner that does loops is pretty cool, and you can see the elevator going up and down, and then it's got the differential thrust. One motor spins faster than the other to turn it. And if you want to turn really fast when you're turning, pull down, and that'll do elevator and turning. So I flew it once just to make sure it's good, and yeah, it flies nice, does loops, good beginner's plane, and still enough fun if you have a plane collection. So we'll go out now and watch it fly. It's doing like a Cobra. All the passengers would be pretty sick on this flight. I'm gonna do some gentle flying. And it does the Cobra maneuver like a fighter jet. A little bit of window here.
There.